Hi guys, Kanika here. You're watching the K Factor by Kanika Kush. Today's topic is something that I have recently started practicing with my son because he actually said something to me. So, again, a little story or a little anecdote that I think most of you will relate with who are maybe above 40, above 35, 40. Okay, so you have heard your parents say stuff like, बेटा हमारे टाइम पे ना हम तो वहाँ से चल के उधर चल के मिडनाइट ऑयल एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट वी यूज्ड टू बर्न रिमेंबर व्हेन वी वर ग्रोइंग अप तो यही सुनाया जाता था बार बार व्हेनेवर वी यूज्ड टू बी स्टडीइंग सो आपके पास तो लाइट है एंड यू हैव एसी एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट एंड वी डिडंट हैव ऑल दिस राइट वी यूज्ड टू हियर दैट ऑल द टाइम नाउ that bit is over, we've grown up, we are doing what we are, but I think a couple of changes that can be made by us, the parent generation. I'm talking to parents who have kids below the age of 18, I would say, or 15, right? There is no point in constantly telling them stuff like, number one, I'm also addressing people who are living in cities, okay, all kinds of cities, metros, all towns, cities, because everybody has access to everything now. For example, people living in Mumbai or Gurgaon, Bangalore, and metro cities, mainly Chennai, Kolkata. um, I'm pretty certain all of us, Pune, right? The way we speak to children, it's like, yeah, this is all mall culture, and आप तो बस mall में ही पले बड़े हो, कभी तो life में देखा नहीं. Do you know this is not India? This is not real India. Real India is rural India. We need to get over that sentence. We need to minimize that. We need to check ourselves. And why? And this was the realization that came to me because the other day, so we had gone out for a little trip recently, and we were crossing through city after city. We went by road and city after city, and then beach mein there were villages that were coming, right? Now there were some elements in the village places that our son could not relate with, and then both my husband and I, we, that little smirk that we give na, that ye bhi nahi pata hai aapko, dekho aap to kitne privileged ho, right? What ego trip are we getting on? What ego kick are we getting out of it? हमारा ही बच्चा है, हमने ही उसको expose किया है to city life and giving all comforts, and then we will tell the child आपको तो कुछ पता नहीं, क्या कर रहे हैं, उसको गांव भेज दें. Think about this, okay? So both my husband and I, what we did was, अरे यू डोंट नो दिस एंड देखो हमने तो ये भी देखा है. एंड इंटरेस्टिंगली माई हस्बैंड एंड आई बोथ आर फ्रॉम द डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड ऑल्सो, सो वीव सीन वेरी फार फ्लंग प्लेसेस. सो व्हाट, क्या करे उससे, मतलब कोई मेडल मिल रहा है क्या उसको लेके? सो वी वर हैप्पीली टेलिंग हिम, बेसिकली गोइंग ऑन एन इको ट्रिप, राइट? दैट देखो हमने तो ये देखा है, फॉर सम रीजन थिंकिंग दैट्स बेटर, गेटिंग इट. सो our son kept listening, and then after a while he's like, yeah, so what do I do? Like, I'm asking you a question, you still not answered. Why did we just cross that particular thing in the village? Basically it was this thing, barricade sort of a thing where people were waiting for a train or something. Now train में ही उसने एक बार ट्रैवल किया है, तो वो उसकी प्रॉब्लम है क्या, किसकी प्रॉब्लम है? हमारी. एंड प्रॉब्लम क्यों है? Why is it a problem? That's what I'm trying to say. So we need to minimize that weird thought process that we've inherited from our parents. Basically that is condescending in nature, which is like our generation is way better than yours, not realizing that evolution is happening, okay? And in evolution we are a step back than the next generation, and then the next, and then the next. So if you want to hold on to our pride, then the best way will be to move with the times instead of mocking them, because the more you mock them, the bigger distance. That's how we create distance between ourselves and our children. So of course, like, I don't understand half the things that my son talks about, like he's a YouTuber and he'll do God knows what all. I don't get it. But then instead of mocking it and saying ye sab kya hai, hamare zamane mein to ye hota tha, that is almost like creating a distance that I don't understand what you're doing. I'm obviously not going to admit to it because I don't want to learn, because I don't want to make an effort. Therefore I will mock you by saying, this is nothing, we used to do that. So to all parents, I am just asking you to kind of check if you do that. So 2-3 sentences which you might want to check would be, one would be stuff like, when they go to malls or they are exposed to all the latest brands and the latest technology, the latest gadgets, and everything, नो नीड टू से दैट हमारे ज़माने में तो ये सब नहीं होता था, पता है हमें तो इस टाइम पे मिलता था बस. आई ऑल्सो सेड इट इन अ फ्यू वीडियोज़, बट दैट वॉज टू मेक अनदर पॉइंट. दैट वॉज टू काइंड ऑफ, I was talking to my generation people. It was not like ये देखो बच्चों को देखो. But remember I said once that we used to get gifts only around Diwali or our birthday time, you know, like, and then I mean when the whole liberalization happened way back in 91, उसके बाद ही तो खुला था ना market. तो उसके बाद जाके we started getting all branded stuff and items, and that was a very big deal for us, right? So okay, that is something our generation can relate with. But this, that they are exposed to everything in the world, that they know all, I mean everything materialistic. Yes, it is going against the whole minimalism thing of greed and materialism, but you know, what I very strongly believe in, you have to go through the path to know what to minimize. So when it comes to children, I will never ever encourage parents to not expose children to everything that is there, because they need to go through it first, then make up their minds whether they want to go on the path of minimalism or not. Okay, you can't be telling children, or you can't make them stay away completely from you know, whatever is there in the world, because then to आप blindsided जा रहे हो ना. You have to go through it, then choose. Anyways, I digressed. What I'm trying to say is that one of the sentences that we will always catch ourselves saying will be, number one, ये देखो इतने brands जो चाहिए आपको तो one click पे है, and whatever. हमारे time पे तो we used to go once in like or twice in a year, तब जाके we used to get clothes and all. You're very privileged, you're very privileged. Well, the point is that we've only, our generation has made them privileged, so let's just hang that, okay, accept it and move ahead. The other, number two, आजकल के बच्चे तो देखो यार इतना, यू नो, सो एंटाइटल्ड, एंड दे हैव यू एवर ट्रैवल्ड बाय, डू यू नो व्हाट अ ट्रेन इज, डू यू नो व्हाट अ रिक्शा इज, एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, यू नो. सो अभी हमको नहीं पता क्योंकि हमने नहीं बताया है. सो व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? अपने पैर को कुल्हाड़ी क्यों मार रहे हो? एक्सेप्ट इट एंड से ओके. और आपको इतना ही लग रहा है दैट ऑथेंटिक उनको इंडिया दिखाना है, देन टेक देम, यू नो, एंड मेक देम एक्सपीरियंस another India. Okay, the fact of the matter is, their reality is what they're living in. You can't tell them that this is not reality and something else is. That will be the most foolish mistake. I realized that day, because my son told me that, mom, if from the day I was born, if I'm born in Gurgaon, I was born in Gurgaon, and I'm being raised in Gurgaon, how will I know what a small town is, or what a small village is, or what is scarcity or anything? That is his reality, and what gives us the right to tell them that your reality and our reality, of course it's different, but what gives us the right to say that our reality of, you know, scarcity or not have, or tough times or whatever, is better? They'll have their own set of issues. They will suffer. I mean, I'm not saying in the worst possible, I'm not wishing that, okay, but well, everybody needs to suffer. So their suffrage or their tough times or struggles will be there, and they'll be very different to ours. So I think we need to let go of it. That's what I'm asking you to minimize. So every time just check yourself once, okay, that are we saying it too often, and why are we saying it? Really, to put them down, उससे क्या मिल रहा है हमें? हम अपने आप का ही बैंड बजा रहे हैं, right? So the best is to kind of accept it, move along with the times if we can, as much as we can, and really cut the unnecessary remarks to them. We used to hate it, right, when our parents used to say it to us. So why are we doing the same thing? And I've begun on that journey. So yeah, I'm not fully there, but I've kind of begun. So I'm hoping that you guys too, distance कम होता है, generation gap कम होता है. Okay, चलो, I'll see you next time. Bye.